Hi everyone, welcome back to today's episode of Mindful Moments. In today's sharing, I wanted to shed some light on wanting to apply my skill sets in my area of expertise, which is in wellness, to help improve my loved one's life. Because currently, as an example, with my parents, I would spend time with them, and the way I would spend time with them would be bringing them outdoors, having a meal with them to catch up and have conversations. And I wanted to help expand on that, to help them improve their lifestyle, their health, and their happiness. And me being in the wellness industry, I wanted to use this particular skill sets of mine to help implement and work with them to see how we can adjust what they like so that we can work on their areas of fitness, nutrition, as well as adopting certain wellness practices that they would enjoy. Because sometimes it just takes them a little nudge to help boost their morale in trying out different things to help their well being. Because I really appreciate what they have done for me in my years of growing up, providing me all the opportunities for, like, say, education and giving me all the support that I needed to be able to achieve where I am today. And I want to be of service as well to help them benefit from the areas of expertise that I've learned. Because I feel it's so important to spread this awareness as we are in an aging population, especially in Singapore, to be able to provide that care and support for our loved ones whenever we can. And I find it's important during this day and age right now to be able to expand on not just using our skill sets for work, but to use it for helping out others, our loved ones, for example, and spreading that awareness of helping others selflessly without having any expectations of getting anything back in return. And I feel that is important as a society to develop a nice loving kindness culture where everybody supports each other. It's going to be a journey towards that ultimately, but I feel it's not impossible, but it will take a long time and it all starts somewhere. So I hope that this message can spread across to people who can resonate with this and start working on ourselves first and then spreading that message across to other people so that we can make this conscious effort to continuously improve how we grow as a society, caring for one another. If you have any thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this piece of content, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.